morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, October 12th. We're looking at window traders, market profile of the ES and the NQ. So we had an inside day yesterday as the bulls consolidated, did a pretty good job of staying in the upper distribution most of the day. We did take back the prior day's trend day in both ES and righty. NQ held there, so they still have all 3 days of trend. We have 2, as does righty. We rallied late in the day. Now, righty did go out with a trend day down yesterday. So far, though, as you can see in the overnight and pre-market, they're above it. We'll see if that holds. Look, so far, the market has shrugged off the PPI, the Fed minutes, and now we have CPI coming up in 10 minutes. I can't imagine the CPI is going to be much different than the PPI. I think that's why we're seeing what we're seeing this morning. This market is still short, right? There's still a lot of short covering going on. The monthly's still down. The weekly came back into balance this week. The daily is now up, but a lot of that has been short covering. So if the CPI does come in, that doesn't rattle the market, which I don't expect it to, we'll see how much we're going to grind higher. Will we hold the gap? We've had 51 upside gaps this year. Only 10 have held. We'll see the size of the gap. The major target for ES to the upside right now would be the gap fill, okay? That gap fill gets filled at 46. So it's still a pretty large gap, right? Right now we're trading at 28.50. SPY's gap would get filled a lot quicker. SPY has been into their gap. In fact, SPY right now is trading at 438.45. That is 2 cents above where their gap would fill, okay? So that would be the big upside target. However, if the CPI disappoints and we give this all back, well then obviously we'd have to see if they test yesterday's low. Remember, there's nothing inside of yesterday, so if this gap fails, bulls are going to really want to hold value high. Otherwise, there's nothing stopping you from going to yesterday's low, okay? But for now, very positive with an inside day possibly up on a gap. That goes for NQ also. So again, game plans. Can you front run the overnight high? That seems to work a lot in ES. However, if they get it, remember, there's still another $1.40 to go to take back the rest of that gap. On the flip side, can you front run the overnight low? If it's here, again, a lot could change at 8:30, but if it's down here, that's a very nice risk reward long, because if they take it out, which I'm in 2, so I'm just estimating. So if you front run it and buy it at 17, the gap fill is 11.50, so it's a decent risk reward against the gap fill. Okay, so again, those are just early plays. Again, if you're in the trading room, you're getting this on an up to the minute basis. I do have 4 traders here with me today and tomorrow. I will be on the mic in my trading room, but I'll be dedicating most of my time to the traders that are here. And then on the chart, so the higher we go on this weekly, then it depends. Right now, if we go high, I'm going to probably make this a 4-week balance. Right? Markets don't go bear bull, so we've gone bear to balance. Is it going to be a 3-week balance, or if we get higher, would I encompass it as a 4-week balance? Okay, so that's a question to be determined by Friday's close. And the other thing also is just, bulls want to stay above this level here, which is 430 in SPY. So that's a big thing they want to do. On the daily, after an outside day up, one time framing up 3 days. Yesterday does not stop the one time framing, even though it's an inside day. We came into a nice little balance, consolidation, and now they're looking to come out of that balance. Boom, back up to bull. 440.12 right now is the 50-day moving average. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.